12 things Winnie Harlow does for beautiful and healthy skin. Winnie Harlow is one of the most iconic models of the decade. She has been credited with bringing a fresh perspective into the fashion world. Many young women are inspired by her. Not only is she gorgeous, but she's super confident in her own skin. She's not afraid to show the world who she really is. Instead of feeling insecure because she looks different, Harlow owns it. The complexion of her skin has made her one of the most recognizable faces in the fashion industry. Harlow has walked the runway for some of the biggest brands in the world, and she has worked with global brands like Dior and Marc Jacobs. To date, she has been featured in many top magazines, including Vogue, Elle, Glamour, and Harper's Bazaar. She even appeared in Beyoncé's visual album Lemonade. Wherever she is and whatever she's doing, she's always glowing and gleaming. If you've been wondering what her skincare routine looks like, you've come to the right place. Here we have the 12 things Winnie Harlow does for beautiful and healthy skin. Number 1. Choose natural products whenever possible. Winnie Harlow always chooses natural makeup and skincare products whenever she can. Natural products may not work as quickly as chemical-based products, but they have no harmful side effects. Natural products are kinder to your skin. This way, you don't have to worry about the long-term effects. Other than that, natural products are also better for the environment compared to synthetic products. With natural products, you get the best of both worlds. They're gentle on your skin and they don't have a negative impact on the environment. Number 2. Avocado oil to remove makeup. Once she gets home, removing her makeup is the first thing Winnie Harlow does. Leaving makeup on your face for too long may clog your pores, resulting in pimples and blackheads. You should make taking off your makeup a priority as soon as you get home. Winnie Harlow never uses a regular makeup remover to clean her face. She usually uses avocado oil or coconut oil to remove her makeup. She just puts oil in her hands and rubs it on her face, massaging it in for a few minutes. After that, she splashes warm water on her face and dries it with a soft towel. Number 3. Face wash before going to bed, always. Not washing your face before you get into bed is one of the biggest no-nos when it comes to having healthy skin. You figure you've taken your makeup off with a remover or oil, so why do you need to wash your face as well? The reason is sometimes there can still be some residue left over. Remover may not erase your makeup completely. That's why you need to wash your face with facial foam for extra cleansing. Washing your face before going to bed is probably Winnie Harlow's most essential skincare tip. She never skips this step. Even if you're not wearing makeup, you should still wash your face before going to bed. It removes all the dirt that accumulates on your face during the day. A clean face before going to bed is the key to radiant skin in the morning. Number 4. Use tea tree oil as a toner. Instead of using a chemical-based face toner that will often contain alcohol, go for something natural like tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is becoming more popular lately for its ability to reduce and prevent acne scars. Besides, tea tree oil makes your skin smoother, clearer, and more supple. After she washes her face, Winnie Harlow usually applies tea tree oil to her face as a toner. It's much gentler on the skin and won't cause irritation or acne. Tea tree oil is very popular for treating acne because it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Number 5. Apply anti-aging cream every night. One of Winnie Harlow's secrets to her fresh and youthful-looking skin is an anti-aging cream. Many skincare experts recommend using anti-aging cream even in your 20s. By using anti-aging cream regularly, you'll see visible results. Anti-aging creams help your cells fight free radicals that cause damage to your skin. The active ingredients in those creams can also help your skin produce more collagen to make you look younger. These creams help with skin tightening and moisture retention, keeping your skin hydrated all night. In the morning, you'll see that your skin looks glowing. Winnie Harlow uses an anti-aging cream every night after applying face toner. Number 6. Use African black soap for daily cleanse. To keep your skin looking healthy and beautiful, you don't have to buy fancy products. In fact, Winnie Harlow only uses African black soap for daily face cleansing. She's not really into fancy facial cleansers. African black soap is all she needs to keep her face clean. This kind of soap has become a holy grail for many people. It's touted as a solution for skin complexions like hyperpigmentation, stretch marks, and breakouts. African black soap is sort of like a one-size-fits-all solution for flawless skin. And the best thing about this soap is its affordability. You don't have to break the bank to take care of your skin. Number 7. Apply honey for face mask. Harlow's favorite natural face mask is a mix of Manuka honey, Aztec clay, and apple cider vinegar. She usually applies this face mask about twice a month. If for some reason she doesn't have all those ingredients, and some of them can be pretty hard to find, she opts for a face mask with simpler ingredients. Her alternative natural face mask contains honey, coffee grounds, salt, and tea tree oil. Honey has lots of benefits for your skin. This sweet and sticky substance can actually be a complexion lifesaver. Honey is good for skin lightening as well as reducing dark spots. Research has shown that honey can also treat rare skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. Number 8. Never forget to apply sunscreen. Excessive sun exposure can be damaging to your skin. It makes your skin dry, resulting in issues like uneven skin tone, dark spots, and sunburn. Winnie Harlow's mom told her about the importance of applying sunscreen since she was young. She never forgets to wear sunscreen whenever she goes out. That's why she is able to maintain that flawless skin. The worst thing that sun exposure can do to you is skin cancer, which can be extremely dangerous. You should always consider protecting your skin. Whatever your skin type is, sunscreen is essential. Other than that, sunscreen also keeps you looking young. Who doesn't want that? Number 9. Keep the skincare routine very simple. A complicated skincare routine can become a chore. That's why Winnie Harlow always keeps her skincare routine as straightforward as possible. If you want to make it sustainable, keep it simple. Your daily skincare routine shouldn't have to consist of 7 or more steps. Don't put too many products on your face and don't overthink it. Just wash your face gently and never forget to apply moisturizer. Before sleeping, don't forget the anti-aging cream. Also, exfoliate your skin occasionally. That's all. Those are the essentials to keeping your skin clean and healthy. Number 10. Giving her face a break from makeup. During her family time or holidays, Harlow usually doesn't wear any makeup. This is her way of giving her face a break from those products. It's important to give your face a break and allow your skin to breathe for a while. By taking this break, she will have glowing and healthy skin by the time she heads back to work. She says that it feels refreshing when she doesn't wear makeup during the holidays. Taking a break from makeup allows your skin to rebalance by producing the natural oils essential for good skin. Constantly wearing makeup often leads to clogged pores and potentially causes breakouts. Number 11. Drink lots of water. Skincare isn't only about the outside. You should also take care of your skin from the inside. Drinking enough water every day helps your body to flush out toxins and gives you healthier skin. From her mom, Winnie Harlow learned that proper hydration was key to healthy and radiant-looking skin. Since she was a teenager, she made drinking water part of her essential routine. The benefits of drinking water include faster healing, preventing acne and puffiness, as well as preventing premature aging. Number 12. Eat loads of veggies. Besides drinking enough water, you should also pay attention to your diet. Winnie Harlow's daily meals always contain plenty of fruits and vegetables to keep both her body and her skin healthy. It's all about proper nutrition. Fruits and vegetables give you lots of vitamins and minerals that your body needs. They also contain powerful antioxidants that help protect your skin from the damage of free radicals. Studies reveal that a diet rich in fruit and vegetables can result in healthier and more attractive skin. And in addition to that, fruit and veggies can also help protect you against diabetes, heart disease, and even cancer. Keep it simple and natural. Winnie Harlow puts a lot of effort into her beautiful and healthy skin, but she never does anything too fancy. Keeping it simple and natural is Harlow's way of life. You don't need to buy all the expensive skincare products to have flawless skin. The key to youthful-looking skin is patience. Natural products usually take longer to make a visible result. Many people don't have the patience. They want a quick fix, often forgetting that something instant is usually damaging in the long run. And just like Harlow, the first thing you need to do is accept yourself fully and never be afraid to be who you are. Skincare and makeup mean nothing if you're not comfortable in your own skin. Confidence is the ultimate key.